It's time for our Law and You segment sponsored by Gig and Giancola. Join with us now. We've got the attorneys from the practice, Michael Gig and Christopher Giancola. Welcome to the show, guys.
Thank you.
Yes. Of course, you've talked many times about the law that you do practice, but for those who are maybe hearing this for the first time, what do you guys do?
Yeah, so I handle most of our estates, estate planning, real estate. Chris does most of our personal injury, workers' compensation, and Social Security.
Okay, Chris, today you wanted to break down some tips when it comes to buying your car insurance.
Absolutely, yes. And actually, to prepare for this today, I looked at my policy. I also looked at my where I've talked about limited tort and full tort and how important it is to be full tort. So I looked at my policy and I looked at my assistants and we did the math. And to upgrade to full tort, an average of $5 per month.
Really?
To protect your family, to be able to, if you're in an accident, go after for any sort of pain and suffering, not just a permanent impairment of a bodily function. So that's the cost of like a Starbucks cup of coffee per month to do that.
Yeah.
Also, I looked at where the costs were broken down because I also talk about UIM, which is protecting your family, and they were negligible in costs. Like what I found is that the most expensive part of the auto insurance is going to be your collision and your comprehensive, because that's what collision is. If somebody hits your car, how much it costs to get it fixed. And comprehensive is actually like a deer strike or a fire or anything along those lines. Those were the most expensive parts of both of our auto insurance. The things that I always preach on about making sure that you have enough insurance to protect your family and stuff literally was a couple dollars more per month type of deal. So the bodily injury minimal limits are $15,000. Well, $15,000 is woefully not good. It is just, it's so low. It hasn't been changed since 1974. So in 1974, $15,000 was worth about $95,000 today. And they have not upped that minimal limit since then. So it's up to you as a consumer to maybe pay a little bit more, because if something happens, and let's say you have an accident and you hit my car, well, my car is a newer car and it might cost $25,000 to get it fixed, because everything's so expensive now to get fixed. Well, they will pay out the $15,000, but then they can go after you for the difference. People don't realize that my insurance company will pay out and fix my car, but then they're going to try to put a lien on you and go after you for the difference. I'm representing somebody right now that's happening to, and I'm trying to negotiate and get the amount down and stuff, but it's because of the minimal amount of limits that they had. And then she had to pay me to fight all that stuff, and she owes it, but we're just trying to see if we can get something taken care of so that they don't enter a suit against her.
Yeah, not a fun thing to think about, but you have to plan for the unexpected, because you see it time and time. It happens.
Yeah,
you never know.
Right.
And you know, people are obviously a little hesitant because, oh, it's going to be what, however much more they think a month. But you're saying when it breaks down, depending on the policy. Yeah,
when it breaks it down, and that's what you need to ask. Whenever you're talking about your car insurance and stuff like that, ask them how much is it more for full tort? How much is it more for more UIM? Because you want to be able to protect your family and also the other drivers on the road.
Yeah, really good stuff. When Jack had mentioned too, like the electric vehicles.
Yes. How
much more those are, and if you know.
Oh my
God
goodness,
forbid.
Everything is just unbelievable. And I was at a conference yesterday, and now they will, right before an accident, the Teslas especially will download videos of the entire accident.
Wow.
Toyota takes pictures of the accident as it's occurring. It's insane what they can get out of these vehicles now.
That's pretty incredible. Yeah. Well, and if people want to call your practice and get any type of insight or some sort of consultation, you guys can take those calls. What's the best way to reach you?
Either call our office at 814-946-1606 or through our website at gig-law.com.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Welcome.
Yeah, appreciate your time.